Hey guys, I'm DK and in this quick video I'll show you how to add managers to your GoDaddy account. Basically, when you don't want to share your login credentials with your developer, in that situation delegating your account access can be really useful. So to do that, first you need to go to the top right corner of your screen and there you will find your name along with a drop down, and under this drop down you will find account settings. Go to this page. Okay, so on this page at the top left corner of your screen again you will find a drop down, and under this drop down you will find the option called Delegate Access. Okay, so click here. Alright, so this is the page where you can invite our developer to access our account. In case you're not able to find this page and GoDaddy decide to change the navigation, in that case I'll be linking this page down in the description of this video, so you can straight land to this page. Now to invite our developer or freelancer, just click on this invite to access. So first field says name, and this name doesn't have to be correct, it is just for you to identify who you are assigning this to. So I'm just gonna hit this DK. Okay, so let's put the email here. Hello DK John. So now the very important step is to assign a access level to the developer, and this is very important. Okay, so first option says product, domains and purchase. With this access level they can access to your products, domains, including they can make purchase if you have card linked to your account. So I recommend this only for those who you can truly trust. So the second option says products and domains. Okay, so with this they can access to all your products including domains. Now you must be thinking, DK, what are those products? To answer that question, I will be linking this article that's by GoDaddy. So on this article you can just read what are the products they can access to, and another article that says what are the access levels and what things they can access. Okay, so I'll be linking both of this article in the description. Coming back to the video, the third option, the name refers to domains only. So this only gives them the option to access your domains and manage it. So for our example, I'm gonna go with products and domains. Okay, select it, then send invite. Now GoDaddy will send the developer an invitation email that this amazing person invited you to access their account, and once they accept it, this pending thing will disappear. So that's how you can delegate your GoDaddy account access to your developer. And if you find this video helpful, do hit the like button, and definitely if you're interested in website development and SEO, please subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna bring such more amazing videos. So that's it for today guys, until the next time, stay fit and keep creating.